Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share delicious and healthy recipes for diabetics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some low-carb soups that are perfect for cold weather and comforting meals. These soups are all diabetes-friendly, with less than 15 grams of carbs per serving and controlled for sodium, calories, and saturated fat. They are also easy to make and full of flavor, so you won't feel like you're missing out on anything. Let's get started. The first soup I'm going to make is a chicken and white bean soup. This soup is full of protein and fiber and has a rich and creamy texture from the beans and Parmesan cheese. You'll need some cooked chicken, white beans, chicken broth, onion, garlic, rosemary, thyme, salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese. You can use rotisserie chicken to save time or cook your own chicken in advance. To make the soup, you'll need to sauté the onion and garlic in a large pot over medium-high heat until soft, about 10 minutes. Then add the chicken broth, chicken, beans, rosemary, thyme, salt and pepper, and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then, transfer about 2 cups of the soup to a blender and puree until smooth. Return the pureed soup to the pot and stir well. Serve the soup with some grated Parmesan cheese on top. This soup makes 4 servings, and each serving has 11 grams of carbs, 28 grams of protein, 7 grams of fat, and 248 calories. The second soup I'm going to make is a cauliflower soup. This soup is low in carbs and high in vitamin C, and has a velvety texture from the cream cheese. You'll need some cauliflower, chicken broth, onion, garlic, butter, cream cheese, salt, pepper, and parsley. To make the soup, you'll need to cut the cauliflower into florets and boil them in a large pot of water until tender, about 15 minutes. Drain the cauliflower and set aside. In the same pot, melt the butter over medium-high heat and cook the onion and garlic until soft, about 10 minutes. Then add the chicken broth, cream cheese, salt and pepper, and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then, add the cauliflower and puree the soup with an immersion blender or a regular blender until smooth. Serve the soup with some chopped parsley on top. This soup makes 4 servings, and each serving has 9 grams of carbs, 7 grams of protein, 15 grams of fat, and 198 calories. The third soup I'm going to make is a fish stew with olives, capers, and potatoes. This soup is a traditional Italian dish that is full of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and potassium. You'll need some white fish fillets, such as cod or halibut, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken broth, onion, garlic, olives, capers, oregano, salt, pepper, and parsley. To make the soup, you'll need to peel and dice the potatoes and boil them in a large pot of water until almost tender, about 15 minutes. Drain the potatoes and set aside. In the same pot, heat some oil over medium-high heat and cook the onion and garlic until soft, about 10 minutes. Then add the tomatoes, chicken broth, olives, capers, oregano, salt and pepper, and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then, add the fish and simmer until cooked through, about 10 minutes more. Serve the soup with some chopped parsley on top. This soup makes 4 servings, and each serving has 14 grams of carbs, 25 grams of protein, 7 grams of fat, and 223 calories. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to make some low-carb soups for diabetics. These soups are not only good for your blood sugar, but also for your taste buds. They are warm, cozy, and satisfying, and you can make them in advance and freeze them for later. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more diabetic-friendly recipes. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which soup was your favorite. Thank you for watching and see you next time.